Hey guys, welcome back. In this video we're going to install this lower strut brace. Well over a year ago when I was doing this video with Anthony looking at his Mk1 Golf Rivage, he gave me his old rusty strut brace. I said, right, I better use it. Okay, that's it now in there. And I'll show you what it looks like when it's all finished. Okay, so the sandblaster is just taking too long. I'm just going to finish with the wire wheel. What do you think, Pebs? You gonna help? No, just wants rubs. So I'm going to rub it down with the wire wheel, just clean it up and then give it a quick paint, and I'll meet you back. Oh yes, just watch my head rubbed. Right, come on, go catch some mice. Now that it's all clean, time to get some paint onto it. Alright guys, so I now have a lower strut brace. Thank you very much to Anthony. So all cleaned, all painted and ready to go back on. So I'm going to show you where it goes on the car. Okay, so we're underneath the car and there's the two wishbones either side. And, oh, wrong way around. So where the gearbox is, for the drain plug, there's a slight bulge in it to get around the bend, or to give you still access basically. And yeah, I think it goes, I'm not really sure whether it goes underneath or it goes on top, that side there, but the holes line up anyway. So I'm slowly winding them out and said I'll just show you just before I install it. So it looks pretty cool. The idea of a lower strut brace is because neither of these arms here, this side here, are really connected to each other and they kind of just float there. So when you go around bends, it allows the car to flex. Now, on a road car, I'm not really sure where it makes much of a difference, or should there be a bit of flex in it, because that might give a more comfortable ride. But since I have the strut brace, I'm going to install it, and if I hate it, I can just take it back off again, so no problem. But basically the idea is when you go around a bend, the whole chassis flexes, and by adding a bottom strut brace, it makes everything a bit more rigid, so when you come out of the turn or you're going into the turn, there's less kind of movement, so that you have more of a controlled, you're better, basically your steering and everything is better controlled. Okay, so that's now one side in. Flip it up there and line up my holes. Yeah, it looks pretty good. You can see there's a little bump there for the drain plug. Okay, so gonna get the bolt now and install it there. Okay. Okay, that looks pretty cool. So I know there's two little holes for these, so I might have to just drill a hole straight up and get a nut and bolt for them. But apart from that, that was a super easy, super fast install. Like, normally, like, you have to take half the car apart, but like, super easy. Brilliant. Okay, so just finished installing it, so you can see just there's a bolt. Just drill a nice little handy hole through it, put a nut and bolt and a washer on it. Same on the far side. Very simple to do. And that is the lower strut brace now installed. Very, very easy. Something that actually like fits the car, actually fit the car, which is deadly. So just a bolt-on part. Well, I still had to drill 2 extra holes, so a little bit time consuming, but apart from that, absolutely fitted first go. So that's deadly. So thank you very much, Anthony, for giving me this part. So guys, that's now the strut brace all bolted up, lovely and tight, so delighted with that. So if you like this video, don't forget to rate, comment and subscribe. Please do subscribe, really helps the channel. And if you like this video and you want to support me, you can do so at Buy Me a Virtual Cup of Coffee, link in the description below. And as always, thanks for watching, see you next time. You covered my trousers in white fur. I had a black trousers this morning, now it's white. Do you have anything to say for yourself? No. You enjoying that? I'm half asleep, that's why. On the heads, come on, wake up. There's mice to catch. We'll catch some ice. Catch some more sneezes. Okay. Guess we're not doing anything, so.